Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I am filming this at like 9:45 at night, so I'm sorry that it's dark over here and light over here, but I haven't got a lot of time to film because of the bimbis. And it is boiling at the moment. It's like impossible to film during the day because it is so hot. But it's a little bit cooler now, so I thought I would sit down and film. This came today and I didn't know what it was, so I kind of ripped it open and I got to like there and was like, oh, I know what that is. And it is Skin to Glow's beauty box. I had this last month for the first time and I absolutely loved it. It was sent to me in PR, but it was just such an awesome box. The premise behind the box, let me just find it. It's all cruelty-free, natural, non-toxic makeup and skincare and beauty items. And yeah, there's lots of different options. You can have it where you have it every month, where it starts at like £28.95. You can have a mini box which starts at I think £18, or you can have it as a quarterly box, £28, and it's always worth more obviously than what you pay. And it's just a really lovely subscription box. They approached me last month and I'd never heard of them before and said yes to kind of have a look, and I thought the box was amazing. The response from you guys, you could see it was a really nice box. I'll link my first video up here. But yeah, the next one's arrived and I'm very excited. So we are gonna have a look. Let me just I have had a few comments of people saying, oh, can you open the boxes before I film? But I like to kind of be surprised as I'm unboxing it, and I feel like that's more of a for me, I can be, you see my reaction as I feel it. Like if I think something's shit, I'm gonna have a ooh face, whereas if I previously opened it, I could potentially have got all of my out, and then open it and be like, oh my god, this is amazing. And I just like to open things on camera, so I'm as surprised as you are when I see things. So this is the box. It's a really pretty box, and we're gonna get in. Oh. So it comes like this. I do have a discount code which I will put on the screen for you guys. It's what Loose does, and that will get you 15% off. So the August box, got this little card and tells you all about it. What have we got here? Lots of little coupons and stuff, and a little brochure, which I assume is something that is in the box. So it says, welcome to the August edit of our natural beauty box, Summer Glow. We decided to spread our summer theme across 2 boxes and follow on from our tropical edit with Summer Glow. Maybe you've already booked your holiday, now flights are more available, or perhaps you've decided to wait a little longer. Whatever your choice, we've decided we all deserved a little of Summer Glow we all love at this time of year. All the products inside have been curated from British brands to help give your skin that beautiful, healthy summer glow. Everything in the month's box is not only natural and cruelty-free, but vegan as well. And don't forget, subscribers can shop these items on their website with 15% off on everything. So if you are a subscriber to the box, anything in the box that you like, you can then buy extras on their website with 15% discount, which I think is really good. So it's like this, and I'm just gonna remove the wormies. The first thing I've got is an Odeleek, which I think I saw is, that's a, yes, oh, camera, there you go. Odeleek, pioneering natural care for sensitive skin since 1984. So this is a 3-in-1 maca mask, purifying, polishing, revitalizing. So this is the packaging, and it says this is worth £20. This face mask made from green and white mineral clays gently and deeply cleanses and detoxes the skin by drawing out impurities, refining pores, and reveals a smooth, radiant complexion. It purifies, polishes, it revitalizes your skin. The baobab Fruit, recharge your skin with vitamins and minerals, and the fair trade sugar cane and organic oats gently exfoliate. Your skin will be left smooth and glowing. Eau de Leek, strive to truly make a difference, both to your skin and to the planet. Based in Suffolk, oh, that's not far from me, I'm in Norfolk. This natural skincare company hand makes their products to ensure the highest quality and freshness. They provide skincare for even the most sensitive skins, avoiding all irritants and potentially damaging ingredients. They leave out all the potential skin allergens, even the natural ones, and source all ingredients as ethically and sustainably as possible. So let's have a little look at this. I'm obviously not going to use it right now because it's a face mask and I have my face on. So there's a little doodad. Mix with pure water or customised with yogurt or super tonic according to your skin. Also, is it a powder? Are you a powder? It is a powder. I love that. Can you see? You have to be really careful when you smell powders though, because you don't want it up your nose. So let's have a look. How do we mix this? Full treatment, mix a teaspoon of mask and enough cool water or chosen custom blend to form a thin paste. Apply the entire face and neck with a mask brush, leave on 15 to 20 minutes. Mini treatment, mix half a teaspoon with water in the palm of your hand to a thin paste and apply to like T-zone. Custom blending tips, oily combination skin, substitute balancing citrus super tonic for some water. Normal, dry, sensitive, mature skin, substitute coming rose super tonic for live yogurt or coconut milk. Organic, ideally, for the water. And that's awesome, I love that. That's really cool. See, that is the first thing, and that is worth £20. The next one is another little jar. What are you? Mango and pineapple cream. What? I can't read the writing is very small. After a shower or bath. I can't read that, I'll just read it on here, let's find it. Mango and pineapple cream by Audacia Beauty, 60ml, £6.25. Popular cream that only smells and tropical and sweet, but is light and creamy and highly moisturising, enriched with mango butter and vitamin E. The high vitamin content protects the skin against any environmental damage and leaves it supple and nourished. Audacia Beauty is born of a collision of West African and Western culture. They use West African ingredients on all products and handmade them here in the UK. Every product is organic, cruelty-free and handmade for all skin types. They aim to provide natural skincare that is luxurious and affordable to give everyone the confidence and beautiful skin they deserve. I really like that about this box as well, that they tell you about the brands, because it's not like they aren't big brands, they are little brands, and I really like that. It says integrity is at the core of their values and they aim to be as transparent as possible whilst working hard to give back as well. They try to collaborate and empower women in business wherever possible and work hard to be as ethical and sustainable as they possibly can. Love it. Let's have a little smell. So I don't really know what it, I think it's just like a, oh, it's really firm. I thought it was going to be like squishy, but look. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so good. I kind of want to eat it. It looks like I've just iced Fox's birthday cake for his cake smash, and it looks like the icing that I've just used. Oh my god, it smells so good. You can just smell the pineapple. It's like pineapple cream. Like, I know it says it's a cream, but like cream, like eating cream. That's what it smells like. It's so nice. Right, next up I've got Skin Fed organic face moisturizer, sweet orange. I had one of these in another box and I got the rose one and I was gutted. Sweet orange sounds amazing. So this is their packaging. I love their packaging. I've had these, I think I might have had these in the vegan kind box before. I'm pretty sure that's where I had it. So that's this, and it says organic face moisturizer, sweet orange by Skin Fed, £16. Beautifully scented natural moisturizer, hydrates the face to keep it well nourished and giving it a natural healthy glow. It's made with 100% natural ingredients, non-greasy blend of shea butter, cocoa butter and omega-3 fatty acids. Sweet orange not only lends its fragrant aroma but also antioxidants to help protect your skin and reduce inflammation. It's natural, cruelty-free and suitable for vegans. It does contain nut oil, SkinFed is committed to producing ethical products and being as plastic free as possible, and they aim to be transparent and honest, providing straightforward natural skincare. So let's have a little. This is a face moisturizer, but I'm not putting it on my face right now. Oh, it smells lovely. It's quite a subtle orange. It's not like a kick you in the face orange, but it's a very, very subtle, nice orange scent. That's lovely. Yeah. I can't remember. I'm pretty sure it was the vegan kind that I got the rose one, and I remember being like, oh, because I hate the smell of rose. You watch everything else in here be rose now. This is Nakin or Nakin. I think it's Nakin. Revitalizing face oil. This is £22. This natural anti-aging face oil is made using skin enhancing plant oils which glide on without greasiness and effective for all skin types. Smooths lines, conditions dry areas and leaves skin feeling calm, energized and with a glowing radiance. This face oil is a luxurious treat for skin with anti-wrinkle effects. It repairs and illuminates your skin. It contains a range of omega-3 oils, antioxidants which effectively reduce signs of aging. Restoring life to skin and regenerating skin cells. It contains nut oil. Nakin is a UK-based anti-aging skincare brand which has been nominated for Best New British Skincare Brand. It makes skincare for those who want beautiful skin of all ages and is made with premium natural ingredients. Its complete award-winning range offers innovative and holistic beauty and use the finest possible plant actives to create products that defend, enhance and rejuvenate. So, facial oil blended with skin enhancing plant oils. Combination of baobab, B-A-O-B-A-B, baobab, argan, peach kernel and jojoba oils. Works to revitalise the skin. Ooh, it's got almond oil in it, grapeseed oil. All the good stuff. 100% natural. Let's have a look. Ooh. Let's just put this up here. Ooh. My arms are going to be so moisturised. Oh my god, I forgot oil goes a long way. Just do the whole top of my arm. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. That smells so nice. It feels really nice as well, to be honest. You have to excuse my sunburn. I put sun cream on, but then it just wore off when I was outside too long. So that is that. That's lovely. And then the last thing is, there's two things. Travel Duo Radiance Facial Wash and Polish by Urban Vida, $7.99. And these are little travel minis. It says the Radiance range from Urban Vida is designed to help with dry, dehydrated skin, made from turmeric to help soothe inflammation and boost hydration. Skin is left brightened with a natural glow. Exotic enzymes such as papaya, goji berries and licorice give the skin a burst of hydration. This duo is a perfect travel set to exfoliate and cleanse your skin. Urban Vida develops its skincare using natural ingredients and the principles of Ayurveda, the traditional holistic healing system of India. I apologise if I've said that wrong. I probably have. I'm like 97% sure that I have. To protect it from pollution and environmental change damage, naturally formulated with Ayurvedic, herbs, flowers and fruits. I will put it on the screen so you can actually see what I'm talking about and tell me how wrong I've pronounced it. But I am sorry if I have pronounced, or that I have pronounced it wrong. Combined with multivitamins and clinically proven actives, Urban Vida helps to maintain the skin's natural balance. So that is the box. Let's have a look at these. So we've got a Daily Radiance Facial Wash. Oh, that smells nice. Oh, that smells lovely. What smell is that? It says turmeric, marigold, papaya and coriander. It's definitely not coriander because I hate the smell of coriander. Oh, that's like, I can smell something from my childhood smells like that. But that is lovely, and that's the face wash. That is amazing. These are going to be going, I've got like a little travel bag that I have for when we go to events parents, and I chuck my minis in there so I don't have to take all my normal skincare. And this is an exfoliating facial polish. So let's have a look and see, because sometimes exfoliators have like really harsh little sandy bits in them. That's very fine. It's like teeny tiny micro ones. And that smells the same. It smells so good. I think that's my favourite smelling thing. It all smells good, but I think that's my favourite smelling thing. And like when I saw these, I was like, oh, minis. But yay, I like them. So that was the Skin to Glow box for August. And I know I get quite a lot of questions and stuff for cruelty-free beauty, and there you go, cruelty-free, vegan, natural. Get it in your faces. I'll leave all the links down below for you guys, along with my discount code. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. I have got absolutely shed loads of product testing videos coming of stuff that I've bought, and I am going to be testing them out. And I've also got a few more unboxings this month, and a giveaway which I'll link if it's up. I don't know if it's up or not yet, but I'll link it if it is. So yeah, thank you to Skin to Glow for sending me this again. I absolutely love this box. It is so lovely, and it's nice to be able to sort of learn about the brand as well. I really appreciate that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.